You know what? I think we're ready to get started. And I really think it would be a good idea to get a designer on board. I'll work on getting us one. And with the three of us working together, we'll be able to divide up our tasks, get the site organized, and we'll finish up in no time.
Cheers to that.
Hello, everyone. Today we begin our mission to clean up messy code using the MVC design pattern. And we will help Hezekiah make his application more organized, modular, maintainable, and dry. If we succeed, you'll be able to make changes more quickly and effectively. Before we begin, let's take a moment to introduce ourselves. I'm your engineer. I will help you write code that uses the API to interact with the data source. This is Orit, your designer. She will help you create beautiful templates and a design for your site.
Good to meet you, Orit. I'm Hezekiah. Nice pink shirt, by the way.
It's not pink, it's tea berry.
Sounds great. So what am I going to do?
You, Hezekiah, as the founder, will manage all the moving pieces of the application and learn how to put the pieces together. Currently, the guts of your application are all in one file, and you find yourself in a situation where you need to make changes quickly. But each change requires a painful amount of time to complete. Why is it so difficult? Because the Ruby code that interacts with the data source is so tightly coupled with the code that's responsible for how the data will be displayed. We are going to solve this problem by using separation of concerns to divide up your application into three layers: the model, the view, and the controller. The model layer will be responsible for interacting with the data source. All the code used to access, filter, or modify the data will be part of the model layer. For example, if I want to collect information on products that fall within a particular price range, that code that extracts that data will live in the model layer. The view layer will be responsible for how the page looks to the user. All the page templates will be part of the view layer. And finally, there will be a controller layer, which will be responsible for connecting all the pieces and relaying information between the users, the model, and the view. Now that we have a plan, let's begin by creating the model.